Welcome to our story. Finally, Financial Express Sensex 78,199.11, 234.11 to increase. Nifty 23,707.90 to increase 91.85. Nikkei 225 is to 40,083.30, 776.25 increase. Hang Sensex 19,447.58. $1 is equal to 89.40 rupees. So powerful Tibet earthquake kills more than 120. Zomato shares drop 5% after Jeffries down grades stocks at 6.4% in finance year 25th. It will be a 4-year low. First, advanced estimates growth engine losses steam and that earning up to 50 lakh per a year. Tax swaps likely run up to the budget 2025 26. Consumption booster basic ex- exemption limit likely to be hiked to 4 lakh. First slab can be from 4 to 7 lakh instead of 3 is to 6 lakh now. The budget 2025 and 26 may unveil significant tax give all giveaways aimed at putting more money in the hands of individual taxpayers, with the main target beneficiaries being those who earn up to 50 lakh a year. According to sources, the tax concessions would be restricted to the new income tax regime. Since sans exception and deductions, which was brought in financial year 2020 21st, over 70% of the taxpayers have already shifted to this regime, regime from the old one, as the former has been tweaked multiple times to make it more attractive to taxpayers. The changes being molded now including a hike in basic exception limit from 3 lakh to 4 lakh along with a rejig of tax slabs. Currently income up to 3 lakh per annum is exempt from income tax in the new regime. Income between 3 lakh and 6 lakh is taxed at 5%, 6 is to 9 lakh at 10%. Four major pen makers in race to acquire Akejo Nobel. 2.5 to $3 billion potential deal value being looked at by Akejo Nobel Dutch Farrand. 1.2 is to $1.4 billion. the amount interest player may be willing to pay. Burger Pants and JSW Pants, Indigo Pants, and Aditya Birla Group likely looking at Garvin majority stake. With 7% market share, AK Journal Nobel is India's fourth largest pants maker. Rivals Asian Paints, Burger Paints, and Kansai Nerolac hold 50%, 20%, and 50%, 15% respectively. Promoters of acknowledged Nobel are looking at a possible India exist as the consumption competition grows in sector. Delhi to vote on February 5. Aap eyes hat trick. Only one in five Indians sees rise in household income survey. Only 24% or one out of the year 5 Indian, sorry, only 24% or one out of every 5 Indians expect their household income to rise in 2025. A survey by local crisis circle said reports Fee Bureau as much as 48% of households see their earnings to dip by up to 25%. TCS may see growth in margins but tepid rise in quarter 3 revenues. TCS, which will report its third quarter earnings on Thursday, is likely to report a muted revenue growth, but analysts expect a boost in its margins. Reports 10 farmers now have digital IDs ID linked to their land records in a move to develop a debates linked to land records. The agriculture ministry in a tie-up with states has provided digital IDs to 10 million farmers across 10 states as on Tuesday reports Teamsec may buy 10% stake in Haldiram. Tata Arm gets double CI node to buy Pentagon Pegatron's stake. Record 46 million demat accounts opened in 2024. New tech at CES 2025. New AMD chips for AI and gaming PC. AMD has AMD has unveiled its new lineup of AI PC chips. Lineup of AI PC chips catering to different price segments. The Ryzen AI Max series targets high performance laptops for gamers and creators. Dell showcases Dell showcases Apple like revamped decades old products named for PCs such as XPS and Imprison Inspiron will be killed in favor of simplified branding around the word Dell in its new generation of devices. Samsung expand all over all AI are for all. Samsung is ramping up investing in AI for consumer electronics, betting on its ubiquit to TVS ubiquit hours presence in gadgets from smartphones to TV to help it stake out a spot in the AI arena. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang holds a new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card as he gives a keynote address at CES 2025 in Las Vegas. NVIDIA took the warps of new products such as AI to better train robots and cars souped up souped up gaming chips and its first desktop computer. Microsoft to invest $3 billion in its AI First India mission. Expansion, expansion mode on. India investment is part of Microsoft's broader global expansion. Currently, it operates three data center regions in Pune, Mumbai, and Chennai with a fourth setup to go live in 2026. Microsoft's efforts have already reached 2.4 million individuals, topping target. 65% of participants the initiative are women and for 74% from tier 2nd and tier 3rd cities. Satya Nadella, CEO and Chairman Microsoft. I am excited to announce this significant investment to expand our aero capacity in India. Economy. Government to set up first 12 1,250 drives training schools in 2 years. New safety feature for having vehicles soon. Economists say consumption growth estimated optimistic. Slack in urban demand prestigious. Persisting. DK Jones, chief economist crisis. Rural consumption will receive a boost from healthy kharif production and promising prospects for Rabi season. Private consumption is seen remaining tepid as real urban wages continue to decline with other cyclical headwinds. 10 farmers get digital ID linked to land records. Odisha government clears 44,793 crore investment plans. The Odisha government has approved investment proposals worth 44,793 crore across five sectors, which will generate employment opportunities for more than 23,000 people according to an official statement. The project which got the government nod or in sectors such as refinery and petrochemicals, green energy, equipment, biotechnology, steel and chemicals. Processed for certified organic products export notified. The government has laid out a procedure for the export of certified organic products requiring mandatory certification under the National Program for Organic Production NPOP for the National Program for Organic Production NPOP for such shipment. According to a public notice, India has fixed a target of $2 billion exporters for organic food products by 2030. The government's eShram portal now available in 2022. Government eShram portal now available in 22 languages. Union Minister Mukesh Mandaviya on Tuesday launched multilingual functionality on the eShram portal to provide seamless access to various government schemes for undergo, underorganized unorganized workers. This portal will now be available in all 22 scheduled languages, a labor ministry system statement said. Over 23,000 exhibitors from 30 countries to attend in Indus Food 25. More than 2,300 exhibitors from 30, 30 countries and 7,500 international buyers will participate in the 3 days Indus Food 2025 beginning Wednesday in Greater Noida. The Trade Promotion Council of India said the integrated trade fair will host 50,000 Indian buyers and trade visitors, it said. Mandi prices of pulse near MSP. Fintech firms need to boost digital payment infra. Nagarjun. Of the estimate 140 million farmers in the country, 35 to 40% do not own land and are engaged in tenancy farming. NSDC starts Pan India survey to identify gaps in skill initiatives. Petroleum product exporter rise 3%. Daily votes on February 5. Search for trapped Assam miners intensified. Supreme Court SC refuses to hear plea on cancellation of BPSC exam. Kishore, get, Kishore gets hospitalized hours after getting bail. Founder Prashant Kishore fell ill on Monday and was admitted to Medanta Hospital in Bihar's capital Thursday morning for acute stomach ache. Kishore had been sitting on fast unto death at Gandhi Maidan since January 2nd, demanding arrest retest of the Bihar Public Service Commission BPSC examination prelims. He was produced be produced before a court after being detained early Monday and sent to judicial caused judicial custody after he refused to agree to the condition of his bail. Subs- Subsequently, he was released on bail without conditions Monday evening, 50 hours after his arrest from Gandhi Maidan, where authorities said protests are prohibited. Five policemen killed in Bastar blast were former Naxalites. GEAPF Double P partners ISA to drive solar expansion. Sonalika, the impossible Indian success story. Companies vehicle registration pace in 2024 slowest in 3 years. Housing sales raised to 12 years high in 2024. TCS may see boost in margins amid muted revenue growth in quarter 3. Tata Technologies Telechips joins hands for vehicle software. Media Group names Siddharth Saxena as India country head. De Beers partners GJEPC to aid natural demand. Aksai Air appoints Belson Coutinho as Chief Operating Officer. L&T backs large orders in India overseas. Techlodge may seek time for D- DPDP compliance. Fully constrained on Thar rocks XUV3XO capacity. Tata Arms acquisition in Pegatron gets double CI node. Festival and wedding boost for jewelries. Premium play. Geo Star raises banquet prices by 80%. Spinach 76% of used car buyers are first formers. Stips hike. Geo Star now has the highest channel banquet rates. Other players have increased prices by up to 10%. GeoStar has also unveiled 83 channels, packs comprising 135 channels. GeoStar has broken the 90 rupees selling for two individual channels, Colors Canada and Maha TV, raising their subscription rates to 25 rupees. Festival or festive and wedding boost for jewelries. Kalyan Jewelers on Tuesday reported at a 39% year-on-year increase in consolidated revenue during quarter finance year 3 2025 in its updated rapid store expansion into tier 2nd and tier 3rd cities has also constri- cons- contributed the to the revenue growth of jewelry major. Analysis expect revenue growth for jewelry majors to range between 25% and 30% YoY for the quarter. Earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization and profit after tax are likely to grow by approximately 20% to and 80% respectively. Markets, the stock snap losing streak